I think most of the parents are worried about AI will make their kids lazy. However, I'm worried about the opposite. I'm worried about my son will grow up in a world where he doesn't know how to command the most powerful tool in the history. So today, we aren't just using AI, we're going to build with it. I am Peng. So this channel, The Prompt Partners, is a parent-led documentation of the future. I believe we're living in an era that AI is inevitable. So my mission here is to ensure that my son's generation doesn't just consume the technology, they also dictate it. So our process here is pretty simple. We first identify a real pain point, and we brainstorm the solution and come up with its logic, and we use AI to implement it. So here we're documenting every single build, every prompt, and every failure for ourselves, but also for the parents, educators, and the creators. So today, we are solving the time problem by building Jayden's very first visual timer. Let's see how that goes. Okay, let's say hi to everybody. Hi.
Hi.
This is the Prompt Partners. All right, so we already have an idea. We're going to build a timer. And Jayden, do you have a timer in your mind? What kind of timer that we're going to build?
I have two ideas. The first one is a fish tank that is leaking. And the second one is a bird flying across the screen, and when it's at the end, that means time's up.
I think both sounds good, right?
Yeah.
So which one do you want to build?
So I want to build the first one.
Great idea. Let's do it. All right. Yeah. So before we actually build it out, we need to have some commands. We need to be the architect. We need to let AI know what to build, how to do it. Tell me about it. What it should be looking like?
It should look like a table with a fish tank.
Okay.
And the fish tank has a little crack in it.
Okay, so the water leaks out.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then there's fish in there. And when the water has to be draining down.
All right.
It can't be staying the same or going up.
Okay. So it's a fish tank that has that filled up with water, and there's a crack on the bottom, so water leaks out gradually when you start a timer. Is that right?
Yes.
I think that's a perfect logic. So what happened at the end of all the water runs out?
The fish die and it's time's up.
Let's forget about the fish for now.
Okay.
So when all the water drains out, the time's up.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now you will be the graphic designer. Okay. I want you to draw the fish tank, what a timer looks like on the whiteboard. We can give that to AI, and the AI just gonna build it like what you draw.
Okay.
So this is the fish tank visual timer that Jayden just drew.
And this is gonna help me better manage my time, because I have trouble managing my time.
Okay, so we're trying to solve our problems, our daily problems using AI. Yes. And this is our first project that me and Jayden, the prompt partners, that we came up with. And we're gonna implement that. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is to create a folder. Since we're going to create an iOS project, we're just going to use the Xcode to generate the folder structure for us. And now we comes to anti-gravity. We want to open that folder that we just created.
But what's in there?
It is our project folder.
It holds our project?
Exactly.
Oh.
And now we're going to build all the prompts.
Okay.
Since we are the prompt partners, we are going to build that together.
Okay.
So this is a prompt that we have so far. So now I am going to create a new file called a plan. And in this plan file, I'm just going to copy our task here. Our UI design will be the mockup that you draw. So I just uploaded this picture that you drew the other day.
Wow. Okay.
And I'm telling AI to read my plan and use the
photo for the UI design. Create the app for me.
Yeah. So let's see what AI can do. And AI is thinking.
I hope
it's analyzing our plan. So AI came up this plan. AI is asking me to give him the permission whether or not he should go ahead and build it. So I say, okay, proceed. Let's build that out. The AI says, I have successfully built the fish tank timer based on your sketch and the plan. Let's take a look at that. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you want to look at it?
Mm-hmm.
What if AI makes mistakes?
Well, then I'll make him fix it.
Exactly. And let's see what it looks like. Okay. So it has a table. It has 3 buttons, just like your drawing. But we can definitely adjust it because the line right here, the table, is on top of the 2 buttons. So I added this line here.
Okay.
The user should be able to adjust the timer duration from 1 to 60 minutes. And I also tell the AI to remove the table line from the mockup. And let's do again. Let's tell the AI, read my plan and implement the changes. It's updating it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And let's see if the AI actually can fix that.
Okay.
Look at that. What about this now?
It's good.
Let's set it to 1 minute and see if the water level goes down. Okay?
Okay.
We're going to click on the start button.
It does.
Oh, it does, right?
Yeah. That is so cool.
Even though it doesn't look like a fish tank, it's just basically a circle, right?
Yeah. The circle gets smaller, smaller. And
the green part of it within the circle that just starts shrinking as the time goes on. I want to see what happens when the time's up. I want to see if it flashes the screen.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my goodness! Did you see that?
Yeah.
It flashed 1 time.
Yeah.
Maybe we should ask AI to flash the screen multiple times.
Yeah.
Let's do that. So I added this. When the time is up, the app should show a flash green screen for 10 seconds. I'm telling AI, read my plan again and fix the flashing part. Seems like AI is done.
Okay, now let's go to Xcode and see.
Now you know it's Xcode. Alright, so I'll be adjusting it to 1 minute.
Again.
Let's take a look again. Whoa, it does it!
Yeah.
Good job!
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's so cool.
Alright. But it's okay, right?
Yeah.
At least it does
what we
asked him to do.
There's
Yeah. Okay. So, great job. Great job, AI, and great job, Jayden. So, what I really want you to know is that it's really important that give the AI the correct instructions. Okay. Your command matters. I think this is a great experience, especially for the first app for us to create it using AI. We're going to be doing more prompting, learning how to prompt, how to lay out our plan better and more detailed, and helping AI to understand our commands better. And this is the Fun Partners! After our session, I went back and added the final tweaks to our UI, smoothing out the animations and making the app more fun to look at. As a parent-led channel, it is important to remember the AI builds the foundation, but we have to provide the finishing touch for the best user experience. You might wonder what the result is. Jayden doesn't just have the app, he has a new habit now. He's been using every single day for his homework and other tasks. He's not just happier, he's more productive because he's using a tool he actually built himself. This is exactly why we started the Prompt Partners. AI is inevitable, but how our kids interact with it is up to us. We are going to keep documenting these builds, bridging the gap between a child's imagination and the real-world software solutions. If you want to see what Jayden and I built next, and then learn how to do this with your own kids, hit the subscribe button and join us in the lab. This is just the beginning of the journey. We'll see you in the next build.